All right, today we're gonna bring a desktop upgrade, and this was a pretty simple one. This is actually a 7050 Dell 7050, all right? So we're gonna upgrade this one, and unfortunately, it doesn't have a video card, and we are gonna use graphics on it. We're gonna use like SketchUp, some of the architectural applications, and we're gonna see some of the graphics, how much well. So today we're gonna install an Intel video card, an ARC. So let's go ahead and get it out and set it up. All right, if you're not familiar with the Intel card, these are very inexpensive cards, and this one has a 4 gig memory, and it doesn't require any power. It uses the motherboard power, so you don't have to worry about extra additional cables. This is perfect for these mini PCs. They do make different versions, the higher versions. Now, the only reason I got this one is because it works for the PCIe connection is smaller than the other one, and if you guys can see, there's not that much space on these things, all right? So you gotta make sure that you have enough space for the out. We're gonna open it up right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the actual Optiplex right here. You can install a PCI card, all right, connection. This one has a 2 terabyte hard drive right now. You could additional memory. All right, so we're gonna reduce the size of the footprint on this system because it's so small, the desktop, that we're gonna introduce the smaller connection, if you guys can see that. But don't forget this cap too at the end. If you want, it's an optional. You don't have to have it there, but just for security purposes, I would. Anyway, marry the video card. Make sure everything's in there properly lined up. Then push it down, and then lock it in place. I can hear the card running on this one. All right, so just to be clear, those that bought this card, you're going to need to install the latest update on the actual driver of the video card, all right? All right, we just opened up SketchUp, if you guys can see that. And SketchUp is a low-end model creator. And look at this. It runs really good because the video card is working very well with it. Performance, it's running. Now, I got the minimum installation in here on the actual memory, right? I don't have, I have 32 gigs of memory, and I have a solid state drive. I don't even have an M.2 in here, and it's running really good. So if you want to increase just a little bit more performance, you go upgrade those two things. But overall, this machine is not capable of playing every single game. Inexpensive. You can find it pretty much anywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.